Question 1. Finish the lyrics.
Tangina mo! Jepoy Dizon!
Can you pass this old Pinoy brain rot exam? If you get 5/6, then you have reached the Pinoy Anki status. Question 2. What is this man about to say?
Wow, mayong gabi mga real niggas. Pangaong na kamu.
Question 3. Who is this guy?
Gusto ko nang sabihin na mapakita, pero di ko magawa, di makasalita.
That's the Bulacan Young Freezer. If you're 3 for 3, you really need to touch some grass. Question 4. What is this guy about to say?
Saya ka na ngayon.
Question 5. Who is this guy?
Ano ko